Hello everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we'll be learning some basic shapes. We'll need quilling pen, glue, circle sizer and some quilling strips. We'll start with quilling a coil. After I'm ready with my coil, I'll pull the center down and pinch one side. Now I'll take the tip of my quilling pen and press in the center of the broader side. This will create a heart shape. You can give some shape using the quilling pen. Again, I'm quilling a coil. After my coil is ready, I'm gonna pinch one side, pinch another side close to that and hold both points and pinch together. This will create a tulip shape. Again, I'm quilling a coil. After my coil is ready, I'm gonna pinch both sides and simultaneously pinch in the middle. This will create a shark fin. Now I've taken a strip and I'm quilling a little part on the top. Then I'll release the strip and I'll take the opposite side and quill towards the previous quill I've made. This will create a C scroll. Now I've taken a strip and I'm folding it into half. I'm quilling one side inward and I'll release the coil before I reach the midpoint. I'll do the same step on the other side. This will create a heart scroll. You can always adjust the scroll with your quilling pen. Now I've taken a quilling strip and I'm going to start quilling from one end. I'll release the strip and I'll hold it in the middle and quill again. After I reach to the previous quill, I'll release it again. I'll repeat this step until the strip is over. This will create a wave-like scroll. Now I've taken a strip and I'm folding it into half. I'll start quilling one side inward. And I'll release it halfway. Now I'm taking the other side and I'm quilling the other side also outward. I'll quill this side a little more closer to the midpoint than the previous one. This will create asymmetrical V-scroll. Now I'm taking the back of my quilling pen, taking my strip, applying some glue on the tip of my strip, and I'll bind my quilling strip around my quilling pen. After I'm done, I'll remove my quilling strip and I'll give it a round shape. Then I'll seal it with a glue. This is a ring coil. These are some basic shapes. Thank you for watching.